How are we doing, everyone? We're back with another Bitcoin mining video. This one's a little bit different. You want to know why? If you come on over to your wallet, click on that, you can now see that they have what's called Simple Earn. You can earn up to 11.82% APR on your idle crypto. That's absolutely amazing. They're adding new features every single day. Let's see what happens when I click this. Ooh, start earning 11.82% APR today. Let your crypto grow effortlessly. Effortlessly. I can't fucking say that word. I've just tried saying it like 5 times and I can't say it. Effortlessly. Yes, I'm going to repeat that again. Let your crypto grow effortlessly with Simple Earn. I am fucking retarded and I'm just going to let it be that way. Earn Bitcoin on your crypto. What does that mean? Your assets generate rewards automatically. I gotta love the sound of that. Withdraw anytime. No lockups or limits. That is also good because most of the time, if you're earning APR and stuff, you have to stake it or lock it up for X amount of time, whether it be months or years. Bitcoin rewards every 4 hours, paid directly to your wallet. Damn. So they're paying out every 4 hours. That's 6 payouts a day. That's crazy. 6 payouts a day plus your daily reward in Bitcoin. Oh my God, man. Just getting more and more Bitcoin. Increase your APR, earn up to times 1.46 more with the VIP program. So I guess the higher level you are in the VIP, the higher your APR increase is. I'm going to click accept on that. Start earning. Ooh, look at that. We've activated it now. Your crypto now earns rewards automatically. Just keep your balances. We'll do the rest. Thank you guys. Much appreciated. Mucho gracias. And look at that. Because of my platinum level 1 VIP status, my APR multiplier is times 1.2. Now, the only things that I have in my wallet are Bitcoin. So the good part is, while I'm waiting for my, threshold of 0.1 to go so I can send that to my cold wallet, all the Bitcoin sitting in here is going to be earning a 2.72% APR. So I'm going to be getting even more Bitcoin because I'm holding Bitcoin while mining Bitcoin. Bam. Now, if I still had, my 2.2086 Ethereum that got hacked into my MetaMask wallet like 3 years ago or so, I would have that sitting in here, so I'd be earning some more Bitcoin just by holding my ETH. I don't have any other crypto. I literally don't have TON, don't have Sol, don't have BNB. I have some of these too, but, that's spread across some random fucking wallets. So this is a good program if some of you guys want to earn some, more Bitcoin on the side simply by holding Bitcoin. Or if you have a wallet already with a lot of money in it, you can just send it over. I'm really kind of thinking of sending my 0.17 Bitcoin to here just so I can earn some more, like a lot more, but there isn't really a need for it at the moment for me. But let's see what GoMining is saying themselves about this beautiful Simple Earn plan. So the Simple Earn is here. Earn Bitcoin yield from idle crypto. Nothing better than earning crypto just from letting it sit there. Most crypto holders face the same situation. Their assets sit idle unless they actively manage strategies, assign funds, or monitor complex earning tools. For many people, that friction is exactly why balances stay untouched. So because some of it can be so confusing, some people just leave it alone. They don't even want to touch it at all. But Simple Earn is designed to remove that friction, which we love. With Simple Earn, your GoMining wallet can start earning automatically without strategies to manage, assets to assign, or extra steps to follow. Turn it on once in your wallet and supported assets begin earning in the background. That is simple. Oh my God. Beautiful. So I'm expecting in 4 hours, I'm going to have a little Bitcoin payout because I already have some Bitcoin in there. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And it's not just simpler, it's different. Simpler? I don't know if that's a word. For the first time, supported crypto assets can generate yields that's paid in Bitcoin, not in the asset itself. That's pretty good because, some people, they want to stake, USDT, USDC, but they don't want to be earning that. They want to be earning Bitcoin, a better asset. But with this, that's actually what it does. And with rewards added every 4 hours. Damn, man. 6 payouts a day. Oh, damn. Your assets remain fully accessible while Bitcoin earnings are credited automatically on a steady and frequent schedule. How Simple Earn works? Simple Earn is built directly into your GoMining wallet, so it fits how you already use your assets. Step 1, one toggle in your wallet. In the wallet section of the app, you'll see a Simple Earn toggle. Switch it on once, and Simple Earn is active. No setup, no onboard flow, no extra screens. We already saw that because I just activated did it. That was as simple as can be. Click the on thing, agree to the terms and conditions, press yes, and bob, boom, bada, bang. Step 2. Supported assets start earning automatically. Once enabled, your supported assets begin earning automatically. You don't need to choose strategies, decide which asset should work, or track payouts. Everything runs in the background. We love that. We love that. It gives us more time to do our own stuff. You know what I mean? Step 3. Earnings are added to your balance. Any income generated is credited directly to your wallet in Bitcoin. There's nothing to claim, reinvest, or move manually. Your balance updates automatically every 4 hours as earnings are added. I love the sound of this. I love the sound of this. Step 4. Fully flexible always. Simple Earn does not lock your funds. That is perfect. That's what we want. You can turn it off whenever you want and withdraw assets even while they are earning. There are no lockups and no fixed terms. To be honest, I don't know why anyone would turn this on and then turn it off. They're like, no, I don't want to be making more passive income. Let me just turn this off. This should almost just be like an automatically turned on thing. Step 5. Yield scales with your VIP level. Simple Earn rewards long-term participation in the GoMining ecosystem. The higher your VIP level, the higher the yield coefficient applied to your earnings. This means Go miners with higher VIP status receive increased Bitcoin yield on the same supported assets. Yield coefficients vary by VIP level and asset and may change over time. See the table below for current coefficients. So yeah, depending on, what VIP level you're in, these are the percentages. The max is at elite with 1 million terahash with a times 1.46 multiplier. For me, I'm in the platinum level 1, so I have a times 1.2 multiplier. Hey, that's still better than, nothing. That is still better than nothing. That's better than literally no multiplier at all. Step 6, referral rewards coming soon. Simple Earn will soon support referrals. You'll be able to invite friends to Simple Earn and earn 10% of the Bitcoin yield generated by their Simple Earn activity. So when this happens, I hope some of you guys are going to be some G's. Use my referral code. Help me out. I help you out. I give you the information. You help me back. It's a win-win. It's a win-win, brothers. Full details will be shared closer to launch. Step 7, availability depends on your region. Simple Earn is available in all regions but the US. Oh, that sucks. Good thing I'm in Canada. That's the one advantage to being in Canada, I guess. I don't know. And for supported assets, we are working hard to add Simple Earn to our US users very soon. So people in the US, if you're watching this now, hopefully within a month or two, they should have this. If Simple Earn is available to you, you'll see it directly in your GoMining wallet. Your app only shows options that apply to your location and available assets. That makes sense. They're not going to blue ball you and be like, hey, look, you can do this. And then when you click on it, it goes, sorry, you actually can't. Note, Simple Earn does not currently support GoMining tokens. GoMining tokens give a lot of value via electricity payment, discounts, and GoMining. Understandable why we built Simple Earn. As GoMining expands beyond mining, one principle guides everything we build. As GoMining expands beyond mining, one principle guides everything we build. Earning should never add friction. That's good. That means they want stuff to be nice and smooth with no hesitation, no problems, no issues. Simple Earn is for users who want their assets working without changing how they already use their wallet. There's nothing to manage, no decisions to make, and no funds locked away. Behind the scenes, GoMining handles the hard work, selecting secure earning mechanisms, managing integrations, and running everything for you. You don't need to choose strategies or interact with external systems. This reflects where GoMining is heading, making Bitcoin participation practical and usable. So earning fits naturally into everyday use instead of becoming, another system to maintain. Beautiful. We love to see that. We love to see that. Now, I really hope for the people watching this, if you're not in the US, if you're in a region to where this is supported, you better go on that app right now and turn this on. Start earning some extra Bitcoin, because I'm assuming if you're mining Bitcoin, you're going to have some in your wallet here. So make use of it. Make use of it. Let it work for itself, because, your Bitcoin miner is already working. Why not earn extra? If you're not, kind of dumb. Oh, look at that. My service button is going to be going off in about 40 seconds. Now, this is getting close to the end of the video, but first I'm going to go over, if anyone wants to start mining, there'll be a referral link down in the description below. You'll earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchased. But if you already are mining Bitcoin, they are having a beautiful discount. Current miners, those upgrades are 23% off. If you're creating a miner, 24 to 27% off. You can literally get started mining Bitcoin today with 1 terahash for just $18.99. Ooh, I'm going to quickly close that, and we're going to click on that service button. We want to maintain that 3% discount. Remember, if anyone's mining, make sure you're clicking your discount button. Make sure you're doing that. If not, I don't know what you're doing. But as I was saying, getting started mining today for as low as 1 terahash for just $18.99. The original price is $24.99. That's pretty damn good. For less than a $20 bill, you can start mining Bitcoin today. And the pool reward has actually gone up because hash rate difficulty dropped because the prices dropped. This used to be 0.00000 0.00022 Bitcoin a day. Now it's at 46. It's doubled. It's more than doubled. So you better start mining today. If you already are mining, add more Terahash, because I'm probably going to be adding some more Terahash myself. But that's today's video, and we'll see you guys soon in the next one. And of course, have a good one, and we love you guys. Bye-bye.
I woke up this morning, one more chance to be a better me. I am not behind bars, I ain't got a copper plate. Clean water I can drink, fresh food I can eat.